Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Popcorn ears of corn for fall and spooky treats for Halloween. Here's what you'll need. For the corn, you'll need popping corn, butter, marshmallows, and fall-colored sprinkles. For the spooky treats, a variety of candies, cookies, and mini cupcakes. Let's start with the corn. Melt the butter in a pot, add a package of marshmallows, and cook until melted. Now add 6 cups of popping corn, give it a stir, then add some colored sprinkles and keep stirring to combine. Then mold the popcorn into ears of corn, just like this. Now take parchment paper, white or brown, make 2-inch accordion folds, then cut one side into a point and then the other. Now roll the ear of corn up, twist the end, and fold back the paper husks. Look how cool these are! For spooky snacks, turn Rice Krispie treats into Frankenstein heads, Oreo cookies into googly-eyed bats, pretzels into ghost faces, and top mini cupcakes with skull decorations. With this spooky spread, it's time to scare up a little fun in the kitchen. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.